Welcome back to our channel. Let's see what's the reading and what's the message for today. Okay, the heart. Wow, what a start. आप अपने सारे फैसले दिल से ले रहे हैं. You are very emotional and you are acting out from your heart. आप बहुत इमोशनल फील करेंगे. बहुत सारी चीज़ें अच्छी होंगी आपकी लाइफ में. कुछ चीज़ों से आप बहुत रेजोनेट कर पाएंगे. कुछ लोग जो आपके बहुत करीब हैं वो आज आपकी लाइफ में आपको सुकून देंगे. They would go ahead and help you to be a better personality. And also, there is a lot which you need to go ahead and work on your heart chakra. You should go ahead and work on your heart chakra for sure. How? We can go ahead and let you know that as well. So there is a mantra which is Ram, which you should meditate. You should go ahead and meditate this mantra for 15 minutes. Whenever you get time, do that. Let's see और क्या readings है आपके लिए from the divine, from the universe. And thank you. There are certain things which are going on in your life and you are absolutely getting you are leveling up. You are in the process of making a new you. It's just that you have to be little more patient. बहुत सारी चीज़ें स्टार्ट हो रही हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ों के साथ आप रेजोनेट कर रहे हैं, बट जल्दबाजी में कभी कभी चीज़ें सही नहीं हो पाती हैं. When it is an emotional phase which is going on in your life, you need to be even more careful. It is very very clearly coming that you would resonate with a lot of people. There would be a lot of emotions which would be coming your way, but you have to be little more patient. And the cards are very very clear that everything is unfolding in its own way, at its own pace. It's just that the beauty lies when you go ahead and treat that as a journey and you don't get attached to it more than it is required, or when you let things happen as a process. It's a beautiful process where things would unfold and you would get to know that whatever is happening for your own good. It's just that you have to show a little bit of more patience here. And the more you would show patience, the more you would go ahead and understand and take it with the flow, the better it would be for you. Let's see. There are times when you will go ahead and need help. There is no harm in asking for that help. Don't go ahead and take no as a sign. You should go ahead and understand that if you are asking for help, you are getting a success if you will go ahead and take support. So don't just be very very assertive in a way and refuse whatsoever is coming on your way. Look for a sign and look for that particular person who can go ahead and help you out in that particular situation. Don't take no for an answer. Don't sit back and wait that things can go ahead and deteriorate. Things are unfolding, they are going as a process. Never settle for no as an answer. Look for signs. There will definitely be certain people around you, those who would be able to go ahead and help you, and ultimately you are going to go ahead and get to your success. So starting from the emotions and the journey is taking you towards success. It's a very very wonderful reading for you. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in the divine energies around you, those who are always blessing you and trying to go ahead and make a better you. Support them. Stay blessed. Stay tuned.